Greetings to all. We are presenting our research paper on bibliometric analysis of financial well-being in Scopus database. Authors of the paper are Anjana S., Assistant Professor of Commerce, St. Teresa's College, Ernakulam; Dr. Vineet K.M., Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government College, Thirupoonathura. Financial well-being is a state of being in which a person is able to completely satisfy present and future financial commitments, feels safe in their financial future, and is able to make decisions that enable them to live life to the fullest, in fact, without much worry. Financial well-being is defined as having a sense of security and believing that you have enough money to fulfill your financial obligations. In many nations, people are becoming more and more concerned on this. Financial well-being is a wide notion that encompasses a variety of factors such as financial contentment, financial position, financial behavior, financial attitude, and financial knowledge, among others. A lot of research is happening in these dimensions. Coming to the statement of problem, bibliometric analysis would give us information regarding the most important documents, authors, and sources in a particular research area. This paper attempts to present a concise report of the same in the area of financial well-being as a keyword in Scopus database. Financial well-being is a field of study getting attention in the recent times than before. 41,368 relevant documents could be traced from the database for the period 1931 to 2021. Relevant means we have excluded few medical journals. The most prominent authors and sources are identified using the built-in tools of Scopus database. Before getting into the Scopus database, we also checked the top 25 articles in Google Scholar using publish or perish application. The application has produced up to 1000 important documents based on Google Scholar ranking. And upon the analysis, we could see that the article by S. Shim, J.J. Ziavo, B.L. Baba, A.Z. Leons has received maximum citations so far, though the article from N.M. Porter is ranked 1 in Google Scholar. These are the most important 25 articles in this particular area. Considering the Scopus database output, the trend is always increasing, and we could see that there will be more output in 2021 also. Considering the document per year by source, we can see that the Sustainability Journal of Switzerland, Journal of Cleaner Production, Social Science and Medicine, Journal of Banking and Finance, and Applied Economics are the most important sources in Scopus. Considering the documents by authors, we could see that there are 20 articles or documents from Nguyen D.K. and Zoponidis C., followed by R. Gupta, McAleer M., Hassan M.K., Luzadi A., and so forth. Most of these authors have minimum of 16 documents to their credits. Considering the document by affiliation, we could see that London School of Economics and Political Science is one of the most important source of affiliation in this particular area, followed by University of Oxford, National University of Singapore, the University of Manchester, and the World Bank USA have also publications in this particular area, along with University of Pennsylvania and other universities. Considering the documents by country or territory, you can very well see that United States is way above any other nations, and United Kingdom is number 2, followed by Germany, Australia, Canada, China, Russian Federation, India, Italy, and Spain. We are happy that India is making to the top 10. Documents by type reveal that 76% of the documents are research articles, followed by 8.5% of book chapters and 5.7% of reviews and 4.7% of conference papers. Feeling in control of one's financial situation, having the ability to endure a financial setback, being on schedule to reach one's financial objectives, or having the freedom to make decisions with one's money are the examples of financial well-being. research attention is moving from financial behavior to drivers of financial well-being in the recent times. More research is expected there in this domain. India is also expected to be a major contributor. Thank you very much for your patient listening.